So, this is your first video with hiccups. How are you, Tell everybody how you feel. Do you like the hiccups? Making you squirm a little bit. Yeah. Daddy should probably take you out and pat you on the back, but instead he's taking a video. Ooh, trying to yawn. Those are some good little kung fu moves. Yeah. Are you ticklish? Nope. How about here? Ooh, maybe that's a little bit. Nope, 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 nope. My fingers. Pump those alarms. Still got them. Guess I'll probably give you a little burp. Look at the camera one more time. Nicole, look at us. Hey. Hey, hiccup.